Hey YouTube. So we'll just cover some other tools for this sketch tab. So trim is when you just cut lines. So what I did is just click this, it's automatically set to trim. Sorry, throat's a bit dry. So what you need to do is just hold down left click and then move towards the line you want to cut. Easy as that. That's trim. Convert entities is when, say for example, you want like you're sketching this on a different plane behind it. So let's just quickly make a plane. Plane. Yeah, features. That's right. Yep. Cool. So front plane, and we'll just leave it as 10 millimeters, and then I just press spacebar, and we'll just click front to bring it to the normal view. Right. So let's say we want to sketch here. You can just right click and sketch. Left click works as well, but it's a little fiddly if you do left click. Convert entities, that's what we want. So we're sketching on this new plane. What you do is just highlight all the lines that you want to convert and convert. Then exit sketch. Then you got a new sketch entity on your new plane. Offsets. Okay, we can do offset. So offset is a feature that offsets your line. Right now it's on the inward, right? So it's highlighted all three lines. So it's like copying, but it's not really. It offsets from a certain distance. So see now, because it's 40 centimeters, so it's like that large. And it's on the outside because it's reversed. So if you want to do the inside, you might want to try a smaller distance, and then that will work out. So that's what offsets are. Right, other tricks. How are we doing for time? Okay, we'll do one more. Mirror entity. So that's mirror entities. What you need is a center line, and that'll do. Yeah, cool. Whoops, delete that line. Just press delete. So mirror entities. Entities you want to mirror. So let's just say you want this. Let's not mirror the inside one. And then the mirror about the axis, which is just your center line. And there we go. That's your mirror. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment if you like it. Until next time, see ya.